Alright, sorry about the angle of this, but this is my 2000 Chevy Cavalier. I'm locating the reverse light sensor switch located on the rear of the transmission. So here's a better angle of it here in a second. That's just me trying to figure out the phone. It's right above the driver's side axle is going to be the switch. That's the reverse light switch on the back of the transmission. So I figured out that the best way to do it is to take off the tire itself, and that's a better look at it with the tire removed and the back of the switch removed. So I went ahead and uninstalled it with a 3/4 inch deep socket, and now it all works, as you can see in this last part here. And that's all my lights are working. I need to figure out how to fix that other light bulb there. Yep, everything's working now. I hope this helped you. And like, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Zella, can you help me out?